In this tutorial, you will learn to use the Batch Copy tool and the SMS Advanced software to save time when copying multiple datasets in the management tree. The SMS Desktop software allows users to save time with batch command utilities. Batch copying datasets can be used to make copies of multiple existing layers in the management tree, such as prescriptions and guidance lines. These layers can be copied to the current year to be reused in future growing seasons. To begin, open SMS Advanced and select Batch Command Utility in the main toolbar. Select Copy Datasets and choose OK. Filter the data you wish to copy. Choose Next. Remove any unwanted datasets and choose Finish. Use the Management Selection dialog to specify where you want your copied data to be stored in the management tree. You can add new years by choosing Add New. Choose Accept. The management tree will now contain the copied datasets under the specified year as well as the year it was copied from. Any modifications made to the copied dataset will not affect the original dataset. You have now learned to use the Batch Copy tool to copy multiple datasets in the management tree. For more short tutorials from AgLeader, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.